fix my front brake. I'm a weakling. Oh my gosh, I am doing something very exciting. I decided last minute that I'm gonna go for a solo dirt bike ride, and it's March 3rd. And we're gonna go check out a trail here in Pemberton, and I'm so excited. Like the sun, can you see the sun? Oh, it feels so good. So join me as we go on a dirt bike ride, solo dirt bike ride. But first, I'm gonna have my protein oats, and then we're gonna go. Okay, so Kenny's trying to fix my front brake because she ain't working. And he's using the massager gun.
Not just for the bedroom.
And in all honesty, the massage gun did work wonders. We were able to get all the air bubbles out, and we added new oil. It has been a while. I'm so excited. Klua's ready, and we're gonna go ride. I keep saying this, but let's go. Okay, let's go. Okay, I tried, couldn't get through it, so I'm just gonna go around it, but I tried to cut through it. I'm just not that strong, and this is a bigger log than what I'm used to, so I'm gonna leave it. I'll let Pemberton Dirt Bike Association know that I attempted to cut down this fallen tree, but I think I need more people. I'm a weakling. So yeah, we're gonna keep on riding. I am just blown away that I'm riding right now. I am so stoked, and it's so nice and it's so sunny. There's some rain in the forecast starting tomorrow, so I'm just happy that I got out today, that I put in the effort and the time to make this happen. And even though I went by myself, I had the best companion, Kahlua. She was so great. I've never had a dog that's gone on dirt bike trail rides with me, and she did so good. Hey, you're a good girl. I just hit some logs, and oh my gosh, I am beaming. Like, I'm so excited just to be back and to be riding and to feel something again. So thank you so much for joining me on this trail ride and doing a little bit of trail maintenance, or I don't even know if I should say that. I attempted it. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.